In this video I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Google Docs to a specific size. So the first step is to add a picture or image into Google Docs, and that is on the Insert tab. Then go to Image and Upload from Computer. Let's say we would like to add a image. We will add one. As you can see, this has a certain dimension, a certain size. But if we would like to change this, then we have a couple of options. We can select a picture and just drag the corners to make it smaller or make it bigger. But what we also can do is select this image, go to Image Options, and then click on the menu on the right on Size and Rotation. Once you have done this, you can basically change the dimensions by filling in something else. But as you can see, the dimensions are locked. But if you want to unlock the aspect ratio so you can change it to any size, then you can use this. Uncheck this box, and once you have done this, do like this, 6 by 6. And as you can see, now the dimensions are changing. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!